Google's reading mode, the reading mode that makes everybody happy. You get to see your website, or in this case, your email, without having to look at any ads. And the publisher can't really complain because they still get the benefit of having their ads or whatever they print available. So both people are happy, and it's not using an ad blocker. Let me show you how to turn this on and how to use it. Start by opening up your Chrome browser, and then you need to go to Chrome Flags. Hit enter, and once this opens, type reading mode into the search box. And you'll notice that reading mode comes up. This is set to default when you open it. Make sure you set it to enable. And at that time, you'll be asked to restart the Chrome browser. Do that, and then it will reopen the browser. Now, once you've enabled reading mode, let me show you what happens when I start to actually use it. Go back into my email. I'll open up that same email that we looked at before. And now up on top, this little square box with the dark line on one side, select it. And actually what it's showing you is you're going to get two columns. As soon as you hit it, you now have two columns, your original email and the reading list. Click on the down arrow and select reading mode. As soon as you do that, there is your, in this case, email, but minus all of the graphics and or ads. The only thing you've got is just what you want to read. Now, the beauty of this is you can make this side bigger by just coming over and then dragging it and making it bigger. In essence, you can just about hide what's already there, but you haven't blocked the original because it's still behind you. So you can get the best of both worlds. When you just want to see the text, start up the reading mode. When you're finished reading what you want to read, just close it back out. It's gone. Want it back again? Select it. You notice the first time you select reading mode, after that, that's what it's set for. You can then go ahead and choose one of the other options. But this is what we need, and you can select its size, blocking out what's behind it, bringing it back once you move it over. Nice, neat little feature. Hopefully this becomes part of the permanent stuff that gets put into the Chrome browser. Now this should also work in other Chromium-based browsers. I just tried it in the Avast Secure Browser, and it works there. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope that helps. Bye-bye.